Okay, so yes, my sink is full of dishes. This is greens out of the garden. It's going to wash up and want to say do a little stir fry. I will throw them in a frying pan and cook them, but I will not use any oil. I'll put some soy sauce on them. But this here is some lettuce, and this is a bunch of endive. This is, I think, a mustard green, and I think I cleared all the little bugs off of it. They say if the bugs, they say if it's bug eaten, that the plant's stronger, it's healthier for you. More endive. This lettuce, I'm not sure what kind of lettuce it is. More endive. More of the mustard greens. These are the tips to the mustard greens, the flowering part, which is really good. More mustard greens. More mustard greens. Oh, kale. Not kale. Chard. Swiss chards. And mustard green tips. And mustard green tips. And lots of chard. Lots of chard. Lots of chard. I will go back and get some more chard later and some kale to make a shake out of. But right now I'm going to wash this down and cook it. It should cook down pretty good, but yeah, that's all I'm gonna do, and that's gonna be a snack. Alright, so here we go. Big bowl of greens, little bitty frying pan. Starting to heat up a little. I will cook them till they are tender, and then I'll throw some soy sauce on them. And so I'll be back. It's kind of dangerous. Everything's in the pot. In case you're curious, I triple washed. Might have even done it 4 times. I can't remember. But what the heck, a little dirt. Get the B12, maybe a bug or two. Who knows? Yeah, okay. Now time to stir. Cooking down pretty nicely there. I don't know if I'll be able to cook it till the stems get soft. I didn't put any water in it, but it was a lot of water left over from washing. I better get back to stirring. Double fermented. Hi-ya! Yeah, maybe a little bit too much, but what the heck. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Okay. Let me get back to stirring. There it is. At the last minute, I thought about putting some garlic in it. I don't know if you can see the garlic in there. There's some little pieces. Like to have put a lot more in there, but I didn't quite have it ready. So anyway, I'm going to eat this plate, and that's that. Maybe a little bit too much soy sauce. I don't think I'm going to get stomach cancer from it, since I don't eat it regularly. I don't know if that's a real problem or me just making it up. Just pretty darn salty. I think next time maybe half as much soy sauce, but my gosh, that was pretty good. I just gobbled it down. So don't remember if I said all those greens were from my garden. That's kind of gone crazy back there. So that was pretty good.